simplify your life and keep you living in style. From smart tech to adventure-ready gear, there's something here for everyone. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below, so stick around to find your next must-have gadget. Looking for the perfect trekking boots? Check out the Hum2 waterproof trekking boots. These boots are designed to tackle any terrain with their durable, waterproof construction, keeping your feet dry and comfortable no matter the conditions. With excellent grip, ankle support, and a lightweight feel, they're perfect for long hikes and outdoor adventures. Ever wondered what the world looks like up close? With the Apexel 200X Pocket Microscope lens, you can turn your smartphone into a powerful microscope, giving you a detailed view of everyday objects. Whether you're exploring the fine textures of a leaf or examining tiny details on a coin, this pocket-sized lens is perfect for on-the-go discovery. Just clip it onto your phone and dive into a whole new micro-world. Looking for a fast, safe, and effortless way to trim your nails? Meet the C-Magic Electric Automatic Nail Clippers Pro. This all-in-one tool makes nail care a breeze with its precision trimming, smooth edges, and easy-to-use design. No more worries about uneven cuts or nicks. Its automatic blades are gentle yet effective, perfect for all ages. Plus, it's rechargeable, portable, and mess-free thanks to the built-in nail catcher. Looking for a quick and effective way to deal with mosquitoes? Check out the Xiaomi Electric Mosquito Killer Swatter. This sleek and powerful device zaps mosquitoes instantly with a single swing thanks to its high-voltage grid. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and safe to use indoors or outdoors. Whether you're enjoying a BBQ or relaxing at home, say goodbye to annoying mosquito bites. Looking for a simple way to display your favorite memories? The Frameo 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame is the perfect solution. With its crystal-clear touchscreen display, you can easily upload photos directly from your phone via the Frameo app. No need for USBs or SD cards. Share pictures with family and friends in real time no matter where they are. The frame's sleek design fits any home decor, and it supports both landscape and portrait orientations. Looking for an accurate, comfortable, and reliable heart rate monitor? Meet the Cuspo HW9 Armband Heart Rate Monitor. With real-time heart rate tracking, Bluetooth and Anti+ connectivity, and a lightweight, adjustable band, the HW9 is designed for athletes of all levels. Whether you're cycling, running, or hitting the gym, this armband keeps you in the zone with precise data, long battery life, and compatibility with popular fitness apps like Zwift and Strava. Looking for an easy way to control your outdoor devices with your smart home setup? The Maros HomeKit Outdoor Smart Plug with 2 sockets is perfect for you. It's fully compatible with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control over your lights, fountains, or any outdoor electronics. It's IP44 weatherproof, so it's built to handle the elements. With dual outlets, you can control 2 devices independently, all from your phone or voice commands. The TurboJet Fan, your ultimate solution for powerful airflow. With its cutting-edge design and advanced turbo technology, this air blower delivers an astonishing amount of air with incredible efficiency. Whether you're drying off a car, clearing out your garage, or keeping your outdoor space dust-free, the TurboJet Fan tackles it all in no time. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home and professional use. Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Electric Precision Screwdriver Magnetic Kit, your ultimate tool for tackling tiny tech repairs with ease. This sleek and compact electric screwdriver kit includes 24 magnetic bits to handle everything from phones and laptops to household gadgets. It's got a powerful 200 RPM motor, adjustable torque settings, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, making every repair quick and efficient. The Avado Tuya Smart Thermostat, your home's intelligent climate control. Take control of your home's temperature with ease. This smart thermostat seamlessly integrates with your Wi-Fi or Zigbee network, allowing you to adjust settings remotely through your smartphone. Experience precise temperature control, energy efficiency, and ultimate comfort with the Avado Tuya Smart Thermostat. The fascinating world of the anti-gravity water drop humidifier, an innovative device that combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a humidifier that levitates water droplets in mid-air, creating a mesmerizing visual experience while effectively adding moisture to your space. Tactical flashlight that combines power and durability? Check the Nextorch TA30C Max High Power LED Tactical Flashlight. With an incredible 3,000 lumens of brightness, this flashlight lights up the darkest environments with ease, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Its rugged design and long-lasting battery life mean you can count on it when it matters most. Whether you're on duty, in the wild, or in need of a reliable flashlight, the Nextorch TA30C Max is built to last. Looking for a multifunctional lamp that combines smart features with a stylish design? Check out the Smart Reading Table Lamp by Tuya. This RGB atmosphere lamp isn't just your ordinary bedside light. It offers vibrant, customizable lighting with a full spectrum of colors, perfect for creating a cozy ambiance. Control it easily with a remote, or use voice commands to adjust brightness or switch between modes. Let me know in the comments which one blew your mind, or if there's a gadget you think we should feature next. Remember, all the links to these awesome gadgets are in the video description below. So go ahead, check them out, and level up your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech and gadget reviews. See you next time.